how to convert landscape video to portrait in Capcut. So if you want to convert landscape video to portrait in Capcut, then first open up your Capcut application. Once you've opened, go for the edit, which is on the bottom left, and then choose a project, existing project or new project, anything that you're comfortable with. So once you've opened the video, now here you will have your video, right? So if you want to convert the landscape video to a portrait in Capcut, or if you want to change from portrait to landscape, then what you need to do is first you need to simply select the video and you can swipe right. And once you've swiped, here you will have the aspect ratio. Tap on the aspect ratio and from here you can convert. So here you will have all of the ratios. What you need to do is simply select the ratio, which is 9:16. Once you've chosen the ratio, tap on the tick, which is on the bottom right, and once you've tapped on tick, here you will have your video, right? So you can simply blur the upper side and the bottom side of your video. And to remove the black, which is here on the upper side or the lower side, you need to simply swipe right, and here you may have an option of canvas, or you may have a background option. Tap on the background, and once you tap on the background, here you can simply choose the blur, and once you tap on blur, you can simply choose the highest blur, and you can enlarge your video and tap on the tick, which is on the bottom right, and now if you start the video, you will have that blur. So that's how you can convert your landscape video to a portrait in Capcut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.